So today we're going to do a short video and to the point on how to safely update your motherboard BIOS. Now this has nothing to do with flashing your GPU BIOS, which I would not recommend and is actually dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. But updating your motherboard BIOS can be very important, because I'm telling you from my own experience. A few weeks ago I was dropping in Cinebench benchmarks and I didn't know why. Well, apparently I was using a very old BIOS that didn't have some settings that would allow me to properly overclock my CPU. So I did the steps that I'm gonna show you, and everything works perfectly again. So the first thing that you should do is to go to your manufacturer motherboard manufacturer, check which is the latest BIOS version for that motherboard, and download it. Then extract all the files on a USB drive, so you have them you know the location and everything. So put all the files on a USB drive and restart your system. Restart your system and get into the BIOS. And then once you are there, you will see there's a small, I'll show you exactly. There you go, flash drive, and you get into that mode and the system will reboot and will get into this flash mode, and then basically the system will boot from that USB that you have. Will search for that new BIOS, and you have to select it from that USB drive and press next basically, and you can see the BIOS is updating. Then the only thing you have to do is to let the system, don't touch anything until everything is complete. No mouse, no keyboard, everything will be locked during the process. The system will restart and you can get into the BIOS once again, and you can see the new BIOS version over there. So this is it. That's all you have to do. It's safe and nothing can happen. So go ahead and try it. It worked for me. It's gonna work for you. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.